Hello, uh, this is the product that I am selling, the engineering construction estimate. So I'll try to log in first. So in this product, it is more on engineering estimate. So there is a different type of product, the basic, the professional, and since I subscribe this for enterprise, so it does not appear there. But the enterprise is cost 1,999 pesos per month. So the basic is 299 and professional is 599 pesos per month. So when the customer is sign up, they will get 30-day free trial. And then if after the trial, they can select the basic or the professional or the enterprise um, plan. So it is recurring product. This is the amount per month. And then they can create up to 15 projects per month for the basic. Up to 50 projects for the professional. They can, so that is the difference. While the enterprise is unlimited projects per month. And also in our dashboard, the customer will create new project. So that is what said here, the number of projects 15, 50, and the enterprise is unlimited per month. Excuse. And then the customer will create project. So for example, sample project. Um, Jason Morales. Well, so small house, something like that. So in basic plan, they can only create residential, while professional plan is residential and commercial, while the enterprise can create industrial, institutional, infra, or mixed-use project. Can be a lump sum unit cost, and then also uh, this is usually the additional cost, usually in mobilization or transportation like that. And then number of additional miscellaneous like 3,000 pesos. Say project. So before the project, there is already 15,000 pesos for the mobilization, miscellaneous and other costs. And then they will create, for example, an electrical project. So for example, like that, they will add circuitry. They can edit that as outlet, kitchen, outlet. Then there is convenient outlet. Quantity of outlet 5 watts per unit 200. Demand factor, for example 1. And cable is 5, etc. So they can edit lightings, kitchen lighting, like that. So lightings, 3 lightings, 100 or say 50. 10 lights, 20. This one is 1,000. So automatically it will generate bill of materials for the customer. And then they will select project, sample project, and then it will save to the project. Also, if there is a plumbing system, you can put like that. For example, this is an example. And then run all the pictures, branch, check. They must check this if there is a warning. Fixture, fixture, like laboratory. I think two, one only. So like that. So, and then there is a bill of materials that will be generated. Actually, they can edit those items in the uh, material DB. So they can edit the unit, and then it will save in a particular project again, save project, save. Then if there is structural, they can edit concrete grade. Usually, for example, this one for the column, and then they can edit that column 1 or column 1 quantity for column, and then the dimension like that. They can add slab, add element, footing like that, and then generate. Also, it will generate um, quantity, and they will select project again where this the project goes. If there are a lot of projects, so they can create a structure and then add to a particular project. Civil works, cut and fill, trench, roads, drainage pipeline. So example like that, and then save for a particular project. Okay, and then that's it. And then if there are conceptual estimate, so the customer can compute based on floor area, economy, standard, and premium. So yeah, that's it. That's conceptual. For example, 100 square meter. And then if in Metro Cebu, will also compute uh, conceptual price if the customer will need, for example, bulk estimate. So it includes structural, architectural finish, basic mechanical, electrical, plumbing system, site development, exclude land, furniture, major process equipment, and special system. So cost estimator. So based on the project we added, that is the cost, labor, and total. So they can select contractor. So no overhead yet been created. And then this is the material DB. So they can add materials like that where you belong, and then they can put a price so that if there are new materials, they can put that. This is considered as the database of materials. So we can select the project and then it will generate B bill of quantity and engineering report like that. We will see. So this is the sample generated reports bill of quantity. In electrical circuit breaker, it is already a breakdown, and also plumbing bill of materials. So the customer will have automatic generation so they can save time, efforts, even manpower. So that's it. That's my product for this engineering estimate. Lot of features. Thank you.